Here's how to add and view private speaker notes for your Canva presentations. Open your Canva presentation and look for the Notes button at the bottom. Click it to reveal the Notes panel where you can type your talking points. Add notes for each slide as you prepare your presentation. Format your text with paragraphs by pressing Enter between ideas. When ready to present, click the Share button and select Present. Choose Presenter View to see your notes on your screen. During your presentation, you can adjust note text size if needed. Make quick edits by clicking the pencil icon in the Notes panel. Exit Presenter View when finished by clicking the Close button. Thanks for watching.